Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Thursday, March 21st, 2013. We're still on suit preference signals. I'll try to wrap up at least this round of it. And here we go. Telling partner what to lead one more time. More reasons for a suit preference signal. When partner is winning the trick and needs your help in a switch, when a switch is obvious, might as well give him help. A low card tells partner to lead to the lower ranking suit, while a high card tells partner to lead to the higher ranking suit. In the next hand, you are east. What's your play? Here's how the bidding is going. South opens a weak 2. West overcalls 3 clubs. North bids 3 spades. Everybody passes. Partner leads the ace of clubs, and you discourage with the 4 of clubs. Declare plays the 7. Trick 2, West leads the king of clubs. What's your play? I hope you played the 9 of clubs. It's a suit preference signal. You want partner to lead a heart. It's obvious that a club continuation is not good. Even if you were out, which is about impossible, it wouldn't help the situation. So, at trick 3, partner continues with the king of hearts, and then a heart to your ace. It's important at this point that you lead a 3rd heart, because that queen of hearts has now been established as a discard and he can pull trump. So you want to get rid of that heart pitch. So you lead a 3rd heart, and partner roughs and eventually wins the king of diamonds, and declare goes down. Here are the other two hands. Actually, South opened a weak 2 with 7 spades. Partner's stiff king otherwise goes to waste if you don't lead a 3rd heart, and the queen of diamonds would be used for a pitch of that losing diamond in Declare's hand, so he would make it if you did not lead a 3rd heart. Now I'm going to switch the tables here, and now I'm Declare. An alert declarer watches the opponent's signals, and he may be able to determine what the defense is up to. Just like the rule of 11 can be used by the declarer as well as the 3rd hand player, the suit preference signal can be read and utilized by declarer. The defenders, on the other hand, may decide to try to fool the declarer by purposely misleading him. It's really dangerous, because if you mislead your partner, you may lose your partner. That's not a good idea. If it doesn't matter and he is a experienced player and understands that, that's fine, but for the most part, dangerous business. On the next hand, you are the declarer. Pay attention to the defense. You are South as declarer. You open 2-no trump. Your partner transferred to hearts and then bid 3-no trump. With weak diamonds and 3 good hearts, you chose the heart game as opposed to 3-no trump, and that was a good choice. West leads the 10 of diamonds, and East cashes 2 tricks, ace-king. At trick 3, West leads the 6 of clubs. You win on the board and lead a heart to the king. West wins the ace and returns a diamond. How do you proceed? Well, let's look at the hand. You have 9 tricks, 1 spade, 4 hearts, 4 clubs. You need 1 more. You have 3 top losers, the ace of hearts and 2 diamonds. And your 10th trick could come from a successful spade finesse, but the diamond finesse gives you an alternative. Let's look at that. If the trump were to split 3-2, you could pitch a spade from dummy, roughen your hand, cash a trump, club to dummy, draw trump, and claim. If If the trump end up splitting 4-1 with ace-9, fourth, that approach you're going to lose 2 heart tricks because you're going to waste an honor trumping in your hand. That 9 will end up being a winner. What should you do? Well, I hope you were watching the opponent's discards. If West is an experienced player, he would have given a suit preference signal at trick 2, dropping the 9 of diamonds to suggest a spade shift. Since he didn't, if he's an experienced player, you should place the king of spades with the east, which means the spade finesse is on. Therefore, ruff on the board, cash your 2 top hearts, return to dummy with the club, pull trump, and take the spade finesse. Now the next hand, our last hand, combines 2 lessons in one. Suit preference and uppercut, or development of trump tricks. First, let's look at it. Suit preference, which is critical to the defense on this hand. And second, there's a lesson in obtaining an additional trump trick via an uppercut. In the following hand, you are east. After east leads to trick 2, I'm going to shift to the west hand. And now look at the hand from West's perspective. Here we go. Here's the bidding. East, you open a diamond. It goes 3 hearts by south and 4 hearts by north. So, partner leads the 9 of diamonds. You win the jack. And at trick 2, you lead the ace of diamonds. Why the ace of diamonds? You could lead king, queen, ace. I hope you don't lead a small one. You have a large choice. You led the highest. That implies that you have an honor in higher ranking suit, which is spade. You have the ace. It must be the ace because the king, queen, jack are on dummy. I'm going to switch over, and now you're looking at the west hand. Sitting west, you led your singleton diamond. Partner won the jack and continued with the ace. Now south roughs with the 10 of hearts. What should you play? If you over rough, play your ace and return the spade, partner will win and lead a diamond, but it won't matter because declare will rough high and that'll be the end of the defense. You don't get any extra heart tricks. However, if you discard, then when declare leads trump, you take the ace of hearts and then you return a spade. Partner return a second round of spades, another round of spades, and of diamonds, and that will establish your 9 of hearts. If declare roughs high, you will discard, and he can't pull your 9. If he roughs low, your 9 will be the winning trick. You set them. 2 things here, which leads to our subject tomorrow. We're going to talk about trump promotion, basically the uppercut. It comes by other variety of names, but how do you get additional tricks by roughing? By the way, this sometimes even applies to the declare, but for the most part we're talking about the defenders. Tomorrow, the uppercut. See you tomorrow.